Friends, how are you? I hope you're also fine. I receive a comment how to make a power bank. How to make a power bank. So I explained it. I used to make 18K display, touch button 15 mm. Sorry, two male jacks, one female jack, LED, and four lithium cells, and cardboard with computer paper. Bitmag, very easy. Let's check it. This wire, this is a data cable on Android. This data cable put in male jack, and this jack is on mobile. The spreads is a charging. That's a charging. Charging off. Press button to charging on. This charging is 100% charging. This touch button is on off. LED light. This is the LED light. Power bank this off, and power bank off is 5 seconds. Let's charge it. This switch for charge battery bank. See battery bank full charge. If you like my video and subscribe my channel, thank you for watching.